Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to play Monopoly Go with friends on your iPhone. But before we get into that, here's a website where you can get dice and stickers using our discount code.
By MMOG for all things Monopoly Go related. So just click onto that, try to click onto dice in here, and then just click onto buy now. And in the coupon section here, you could grab an additional 10% off with our exclusive discount code, which is TechTricks.
Now that is out of the way to play Monopoly Go with friends on your iPhone. It's the best and simple way right here. So basically all you have to do is go to friends, press your invite, here press this yellow button, the one I'm pressing, and then when you press that, just press copy link, and then you will have a link such as this one. You send it to your friend using WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, and then once they open it, they will have to download the game, and then basically they will be able to play Monopoly Go with you as their friends right here. It's gonna state you as a friend here in the leaderboards, under leaderboards and friends. It's just that simple to play Monopoly Go with friends on your iPhone without the use of Facebook or anything else. And there you go guys, that is how you play Monopoly Go with friends on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video and see you again next time.